Today, I would like to introduce all-in-one, automotive all-in-one lab equipment solutions to you. This solution we designed based on 2025 year BYD ATTO3. This training equipment, all the parts of this system come from the real BYD ATTO3. Based on this, the student can learning and understand all the knowledge of the automotive, of the EV knowledge. By using this equipment, we separate this equipment system to 6 modes. This is quite close to the curriculums of the school, so very easy for the school to arrange the education. Let's go into introduce the separate system. This one we call EPS training modes. This is open design, so students can easy to observe the struggle and components of each part, especially for some key parts, such as the control move, power assistant motor, and also the torque sensors. By using this diagram, circuit diagram, students can use the multimeter or oscilloscopes to measure the voltage of the control moves and torque sensors. This is the real data showing. Also, it included with the fall simulations. Students can easily to understand if different falls happen, how to stop the fall by using our scanner and also the multimeter. And this is the low voltage automotive electric training platform. It keeps the lighting, door lock, wiper, and so on of the low voltage automotive electric system. We covered the car body and make it with transparent design, so students can easy to look at the design and understand the struggle and the layout. And it connecting with a testing panel by using the multimeter or oscilloscope to measure the data or read the weight of the system to get the real data from the real electricity lower system. This is the heat pump air conditioning system and with PTC, heating thermal management system. The layout is according to the real compositions of the car. Students can observe the struggle and relationship. Also, we can find that there's a high voltage connected to the compressor from the powertrain system. By using the multimeter to measure the system of the circuit diagram, students can get the real data of the air conditioning system and thermal management system. This is a multimedia. It can set it as English, in English. So it's easy for international students to understand and the lecturer to understand. But this is the BYD power chase system. This is very important. It included the power 8-in-1 power assembly, included the motor controller, reducer, DC-DC, OBC, VCU, BMS. 8-in-1 can make it more easy to communication and can save the space. it can have more space and extend for battery using. So this also included with the S-less and braking system. By using the multimeter to measure the voltage and currents by the circuit diagram to get the real data of the system. And this is instrument cluster, and there's an OBD connectors here. Student can use the OBD scanner to connect to the system to read the vocals, lift data, and so on. And this is the battery system. We already take out the covers of the battery pack and change it to the transparent design cover. So very easy to see the struggle and the layout. Students can understand lines such as the coolant pipe for the battery, and can also understand, easy to understand, the BIC and BASU also. We can see the connecting of the high voltage cable and the CAN bus cable there by using the multimeter to measure the voltage and currents of the BMS system to get the real data of the BMS. And all the equipment, we have a 4 setting and clear system. Very easy to use. Just press 1, and then if you set 4, and clear it 4. So it can set 4 for simulation. Students easy to understand and practice the skills of 4 for preparing. And we also design a software to support the education. It included the 3D drawing, animations, theories, and so on. So the student can learning by itself, or the lecturer can arrange the courseware. We already, for all the 4 settings, for all the 4s, we already made the videos. Each video you have step by step slowly to introduce the knowledge, to teach the student by themselves. So, in summary, this system is a key one which can match your curriculum. Also, you can use it to develop the curriculum by yourself, and also the courseware. It covers all the key knowledges of the automotive. It is an open design. It's not like a closed car. So students very easy to watch and observe the struggle layout and the connecting relationship. In China, all the schools, each school, they at least have kind of one set of system. But our system is based on the brand new models, BYD ATTO3, 2025 year edition. We have also have very good relationship with some very high-end polytechnic or technical school, college, or university in China. If you want to cooperate with us, or you need us to build a bridge for you to have the relationship with the Chinese school, vocational school, institute, polytechnic, college, or university, we can support you. Welcome to contact Cool Life. We will become your powerful partnership and keep long-term cooperation in the future.